Yeah, not only are people feeling the impacts of that weekend weather, so are dozens of animals. News Channel 5's Alexander Cohen stopped by the shelter in Montgomery County, where it's all hands on deck.
Stray animals have been coming in left and right after the tornado.
We've stationed officers up in that area just to kind of watch out for strays. Also for members of that community up in that area that were affected.
At Montgomery County Animal Care and Control, they've been able to reunite 7 pets with their owners so far.
This one, the owner's still in the hospital. I think a family friend's coming to pick him up.
Director Dave Caskey says some of the dogs were hurt by debris.
He had a bad cut to the back of his leg from the storm.
They're also accepting pet food to distribute to tornado survivors for free.
Everybody's starting to dig out of the rubble now. It's been really picking up.
And we talked to one tornado survivor who stopped by to get cat food. She tells us it's one less thing for them to have to worry about.
It said everything. It's a weight off of us. You know, we have so much to deal with between going through insurances, finding a new home to live in, relying on friends and family when we don't normally rely on them.
Rebecca says their home was hit hard, but fortunately they have a place to stay.
People are willing to help even the 4-legged critters that we consider our children. I mean, just everything.
For now, they'll keep trying to reunite these pets with their owners.
I can't imagine how terrified they must be. Their home's gone or they can't find their owners.
Reporting in Clarksville, Alexander Cohen, News Channel 5.
Thanks, Alexander. Right now they do have enough dog food, but they still need wet cat food, cat litter, blankets, and towels.